from the musical Funny Girl and out to steal each other's thunder. Please welcome Craig, Daniel and Lee.
Don't tell me not to live, just sit and putter. Life's candy and the sun's a ball of butter. Don't bring around a cloud to rain on my parade.
Don't tell me not to fly, I've simply got to. If someone takes a spill, it's me and not you. Good soldier, you're allowed to rain on my parade.
I'll march my band now.
I'll beat my drum.
And if I'm found out,
Your turn at bat, sir. At least I didn't fake it, hat, sir. I guess I didn't make it.
get ready for me, love, 'cause I'm a comer. I simply gotta march, my heart's a drummer. Don't bring around a cloud to rain on my parade.
I'm gonna live and live now. Get what I want, I know how.
One roll for the whole shebang. One throw, that bell will go clang. Eye on the target and wham. One shot, one gunshot, and bam! Hey, Mr. Unseen, here I
At least I didn't fake it, hat, sir. I guess I didn't make it. Get
ready for me, love, 'cause I'm a comer. I simply gotta march, my heart's a drummer. Nobody, no, nobody is gonna rain on my
Wow! How good have all our Josephs been tonight? Andrew, I'm going to ask you again. Was there a stand-out Joseph in that three?
Well, there were three, actually, but no, I mean, Lee, you were terrific. Daniel, you really looked like a song and dance man. Craig, you know, you were just terrific in the three of them. And my goodness, it's such a thrill, isn't it, to have a live band with us? Goodness, what energy. Well, I'd just say, boys, thanks, Nigel, right? But I'd just say, boys, you know, you showed me tonight why I love musicals. Thank you.
Denise